Welcome to Foundations of Linux. In this video, we will look at how to choose the best Linux distribution for your career. Whether your goal is cloud computing, DevOps, enterprise IT, cybersecurity, or software development, choosing the right Linux starting point can help you build skills more efficiently. One of the most common questions new Linux learners ask is, which Linux distribution should I learn? The answer depends on your career goals, your current experience level, and the technologies you want to master. The good news is that you do not have to make a perfect choice before you begin. Linux skills transfer across distributions. Core commands, terminal concepts, file management, permissions, networking, and package management follow similar patterns across most Linux systems. Once you learn one distribution well, it becomes much easier to learn others. For most beginners, Ubuntu Linux is the best starting point. Ubuntu has a simple installation process, a massive online support community, and excellent documentation. It allows you to focus on learning Linux fundamentals instead of spending most of your time troubleshooting hardware or setup problems. For cloud infrastructure, Ubuntu Server is one of the strongest choices. It is widely used on AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, and it is commonly used with Docker, Kubernetes, and C/CD pipelines. If your goal is cloud engineering or DevOps, Ubuntu Server is an excellent place to begin. For enterprise IT, Rocky Linux and Alma Linux are important distributions to know. These distributions are compatible with Red Hat Enterprise Linux technologies and are common in data centers and production environments. They are especially useful for careers in system administration, infrastructure support, and enterprise server management. For stability, Debian Linux is one of the best choices. Debian is known for reliability, consistency, and carefully tested software packages. It is widely used for back-end infrastructure, production servers, hosting environments, and long-running systems where stability matters more than having the newest features. For software development, Fedora Linux is a strong option. Fedora focuses on innovation and newer software versions. It often includes modern developer tools and strong container support. Because Fedora is closely connected to the Red Hat ecosystem, it is also useful for learners interested in enterprise Linux technologies. For cybersecurity, Kali Linux is a specialized distribution designed for ethical hacking and penetration testing. Kali includes many security analysis tools, but it is not usually recommended as a beginner's first Linux distribution. A better path is to learn Ubuntu or Debian fundamentals first, then move into Kali when you are ready for cybersecurity labs. A simple way to choose your Linux distribution is to match it to your career goal. For beginner Linux learning, choose Ubuntu. For cloud computing, choose Ubuntu Server. For enterprise IT, choose Rocky Linux. For stability and servers, choose Debian. For software development, choose Fedora. For cybersecurity, choose Kali Linux after learning the basics. Practical experience matters more than distribution debates. The best strategy is to pick a Linux distribution, start learning, build projects, and practice consistently. Hands-on experience is what turns Linux knowledge into career-ready skill. To build real Linux skills, focus on the technical core. Learn terminal commands, shell scripting, file permissions, networking, package management, system administration, Docker, containers, and orchestration concepts. These skills matter across cloud, DevOps, cybersecurity, and enterprise IT roles. Let's review the key takeaways. Ubuntu is best for beginners and cloud learning. Debian is best for stability and consistency. Fedora is best for modern tools and innovation. Rocky Linux and Alma Linux are important for enterprise IT. Most importantly, Linux skills transfer across distributions, so focus on consistent hands-on practice. Thank you for watching this Foundations of Linux lesson. To continue your Linux journey, visit labs.destinlearning.com. You can subscribe to the Destin Learning YouTube channel and join the Foundations of Linux course for more guided lessons, labs, and real-world practice.